I'm working on a PT Cruiser, and right now I'm under the back of the car. The problem is, every time I go over a bump, even a slight bump, there's a loud clunking and rattling in the back of the car. It's this thing right here. Bell crank is what it's called. And I bought a slightly used one at the junkyard for $11, including both links. So I'm just going to undo these two top bolts, and then there's one bolt through the center, and that's all there is to it. A breaker part just to get it started. I mean, just to get it moving, and I'll switch to that wrench that's easier to work with. Okay. When I took the bolt out of this one, it just fell right out, so be careful. Don't let this hit you in the head. Okay, last one. There's a big nut on the back. You have to hold it on the front with a wrench. It's finger tight now. Here's the nut and the washer. There's the bolt. And there it is. That's the old one. So now, just tightening up the last bolt. No more rattling. So I think we solved the problem. If you look carefully, you can see the bushing itself is rattling around inside. It's moving quite a bit inside the device. So between that and this loose ball joint and this slightly loose ball joint, that's, I think, a lot of the knocking around. The slop of the bolt itself, as you tighten the bolt up, would probably go away, but the loose bushing inside the part, that's over.